What if I told you the key to becoming truly unstoppable isn't about being seen? It's about disappearing, not vanishing from the world, but from its distractions, opinions, and endless noise. In the next few minutes, I'll unlock 6 powerful steps that will help you disappear, transform, and emerge as someone the world can't ignore. Stick with me. This could be the turning point of your life. Let's begin. 1. Master the art of silence. Words are powerful, but they can also drain your energy. Every time you share your dreams or plans, you unknowingly weaken their impact. Why? Because talking about them gives you a false sense of accomplishment. Keep your ambitions to yourself. Speak less, act more. Let your results be your voice. There's a mystery in silence that commands respect. People don't see what's coming, and that's your advantage. Silence isn't just about what you don't say, it's about controlling the narrative of your life. 2. Focus on the only opinion that matters. Here's a hard truth. Most people don't care as much about you as you think they do. Their opinions, they're fleeting, they don't pay your bills, and they definitely don't help you chase your dreams. So stop living for validation from others. Shift the focus to the only opinion that matters, yours. Imagine your future self. Picture the person you want to be 5 years from now. Ask, would they be proud of me today? If the answer is no, it's time to adjust your actions. 3. Protect your plans like treasure. Think of your goals as gold. You wouldn't leave gold lying around for just anyone to take, right? Your ambitions deserve the same level of protection. Here's a rule to live by. Every time you share your plans, imagine reducing your chances of success by 5%. Why? Because the more you talk, the more you open yourself up to doubt, criticism, and negativity. Only share your plans with people who are essential to their success, mentors, collaborators, or trusted partners. Otherwise, let your actions speak louder than words. 4. Transform pain into power. Pain is not your enemy. It's your greatest teacher. In the shadows, you'll face challenges, failures, and heartbreak. You'll cry, you'll sweat, you'll bleed. But that's where transformation happens. Think of each setback as a step forward. Every tear strengthens you, every failure teaches you, every wound prepares you. Embrace the discomfort because it's forging the strongest version of yourself. And the best part? No one sees it coming. You're building a foundation in silence, and when you're ready, that foundation will be unshakable. 5. Obsess over your goals. What do you want to become? Be brutally honest with yourself. Do you want financial freedom, a healthier body, mastery of a new skill? Whatever it is, get specific. Write it down. Create a vision board. Surround yourself with reminders of that goal. Now make your life revolve around it. Every action, every decision, every moment should align with that purpose. This isn't a hobby, it's an obsession. And obsessions create legends. Dedicate yourself fully and watch how your life transforms. 6. Emerge, but only if you want to. Here's the twist. When the transformation is complete, you may not even feel the need to reappear. You'll realize that the applause and recognition you once craved don't matter anymore. Fulfillment will come from within. If you choose to re-emerge, the world will see a version of you they never expected, a force to be reckoned with. But even if you don't, you've already won. Because the biggest transformation happens inside, where no one can see it and no one can take it away. Start now. Disappear. Rebuild. Transformation. Become the unstoppable force you've always been destined to be. And when you're ready, if you're ready, let the world see just how far you've come. Share this video with someone who's ready to join you in the shadows. Let's create a movement of silent transformation, one unstoppable person at a time.